So, hey guys. I know I've been gone for like 3 weeks. These last 3 months have just been so crazy. Basically, my father-in-law passed away on February 9th, and we've been dealing with that. It's just a lot. Like he was sick for a very long time, but it eventually just came down to where like his body couldn't handle all of his sickness anymore. He basically passed away of end stage end stage renal kidney failure and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma on top of that, and the cancer, which is a lymphoma, spread to his liver and lungs, and he was going to be in and out of hospitals, and by that time it's like terminal cancer. So he came home on February 7th, and then he was on hospice at home, and then he just passed on February 9th at like 1:25 that morning. So that's where I've been. That's what I've been doing. I've been just grieving and dealing with that, but I need to get back into like a normal thing. So hopefully, I'm not like holding myself to this, but hopefully I can like get back into normal videos. And on a totally different topic, I tried something new with my hair. It's not new, but like I haven't done it in a while. I like I sectioned my hair and braided it when it was wet, and I took it out, and it got a lot like kind of floofier than I really wanted. Like I wouldn't mind if it was just like these pieces, but it just basically looks like I took a crimping iron to my hair. But I mean, whatever. As the time goes on, it should like kind of, I don't know, flatten out, if you want to say that. But anyways, this is what we're dealing with. I just wanted my hair to like just have some like volume or like blue eyeshadow look, kind of like icy, but then I'm on the fence because I want to do an icy look, but I also want to do like, sorry, I'm putting stuff out of my way. I want to do like an icy look, but I also want to do just like a blue look. So I have like a bunch of different palettes that I'm gonna be like dipping from. I'll show you or whatever. This is probably gonna be a long video, so I guess grab a snack and a drink and strap in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna prime my eyes with the Milani eyeshadow primer. For some reason I thought I had like a fancy name, but it doesn't. We were dealing with my father-in-law being in the hospital. He was in and out of the ICU. And like it looked like he was getting better, and then he would just, take a turn for the worse. And then finally, when he was in the ICU again for the last time, they had a cancer doctor come out and look at how his non-Hodgkin's was doing, and they said that it spread. So I mean, it's hard, but I'm just glad that he's not suffering anymore. Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. This is in Pale. Basically, like I say, it's basically Tommy's job was nice enough to give him like 3 weeks off from work, so he just went back on Sunday, and he's trying to get back into the swing of things. And of course, I'm out of a job because, like I said in previous videos, I was his caregiver, and that like was my job. I'm getting unemployment right now, but obviously I'm looking for more jobs. Do like a transition shade. I'm just gonna use Faint from this like knockoff Naked Basics palette from Urban Decay, but we're just gonna go on a BRC N06 brush from Coastal Scents. I don't even know if they make it anymore, but I just want to do like a transition. Tommy went back to work and it's kind of just quiet and sad in the apartment because we have a 2-bedroom and the other bedroom was obviously his dad's, but it's just so weird not like hearing the TV on or hearing him cough. It's a lot to get used to because even before I started getting paid for him, I was taking care of him. So going from taking care of someone every single day, like worrying about their needs and like all that, it's odd to go from doing that every day to like doing nothing. Like not doing nothing, like obviously I still do stuff around here, but like, you know what I mean, like just not taking care of him and just knowing that he's never coming home again. It's just a lot. And so his funeral was on the 17th and he got cremated, so it's just, I don't know. I miss him. I really do. Now, as far as like blues, I have so many. Like, originally, there's this really nice like navy shade, and it's a matte, and it's called the Fates, and it's the ColourPop Misunderstood palette. It's like the Disney one, and it's this color right here. Sorry about the holographic, but it's called the Fates, and I think I'm going to use that as my initial crease shade. I'm just going to use this brush right here, and I'm going to like go very gently with it because this shade is very pigmented and it's a dark color, so start outer corner / lid. I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I haven't used this in such a long time just because I have so much makeup. But I'm gonna go in with the shade Twerk, and it's this shimmery like navy blue color. And I'm just gonna go in with a concealer brush and I'm just gonna pack that on. I'm sorry if you can hear my like a fan going. It's my computer fan. So I'm just going to Coastal Scents brush. It just hacked out. Looks like that. It has like a more pointed tip. I'm just going to take the color Abyss from this palette, the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's just the black in that. And I'm just going to just deepen everything up. Highlight, which I should have been done anyway. I'm just going to use the Royal Affair by BH Cosmetics. This was sent to me from my friend Alicia. I'm just going to put Rain. It's like a creamy color. This one right here. Just on my brow bone. I'm just going to use a eyeshadow brush that I got from Walmart like a few years ago from their Christmas collection. And I'm just, oh wow, that's a, add like a color, like icy blue on the inner part of my eye. And I'm just going to use that. I'm going to use that Royal Affair palette from BH Cosmetics again. And I'm going to use the color Throne. And it's just this beautiful icy blue color. Has a nice shimmer. And I haven't used this palette yet. And I've had it for quite a while, but I just have had my ruts with makeup. I've loved makeup and I just didn't want it on my face. So I'm just gonna put that on the inner corner. So what I used my brows was the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro. It's the Shade and Define brow pencil stuff. This is in the shade, I believe it's, yeah, medium blonde, and it's just that. I really like how easy it is to apply, and I don't have to do like nothing crazy with my brows. And then for mascara, this would like make it more dramatic with false lashes, but I can't get the hang of them, so I just use the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara, and I don't know, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It definitely is not how I like envisioned this look turning out, but I really love how it looks. You could add liner as well, but I didn't want to screw it up because usually I do too thick of a line and then ruin it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some liner in my lower lash line. I mean my lower waterline, and it's the color BFF cream gel liner in Swerve. It's just the twist up one. Camera. This works. I added it's the LA Color Smoothing Face Primer Color Correcting in Peach. I just use this as a concealer. I just patted that under my eyes and then set it with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder. And then for bronzer, I used a Rimmel Natural Bronzer in Sunlight. It's just this nice color. And then for blush, I just used a nice pink, and it's the Rapunzel Disney Designer Collection in Floating Lights, and this is really like light baby pink color. There's the color. It's really pretty. It's a little lighter than it's coming off on camera, but I just wanted a nice little blush. And then for highlighter, I could go with like a blue toned highlighter, but I think that would be kind of overkill. So what I'm going to use is the LA Colors Shine Bright, and this is just the highlighter. And my favorite highlighting, well, one of my favorite highlighting brushes from the Christmas collection a few years ago. And some of my nose. Cupid's bow to do a like pinky lip. This is called Flurries and it's from ColourPop. It's their ultra matte liquid lip. It's just something that's not too intense. More rosy on just camera, but it's more like it's more of a neutral pink in real life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I actually really like how the eyeshadow turned out. It's definitely what I was not going for, but I don't hate it. So let me know if you guys want to see more like blue looks. I don't really have that many blue palettes, but I kind of want to delve into wearing blue eyeshadow more. Yeah, so hopefully there won't be another like huge gap between videos, and yeah, leave me comments and like this video up, and if you want, share my videos so people can see my awesomeness. Let me stop. But no, follow, subscribe, all my links and stuff will be down below, and I'll talk to you guys later.